Welcome to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel. Question number 25 in train's topic. A train covers a distance between station A and B in T1 hours. If speed is reduced by x kilometers per hour, it will cover the same distance in T2 hours. Then the distance between A and B is given by x into T1 T2 by T2 minus T1. And the speed of the train is x T2 by T2 minus T1. Let us see a question. A train covers a distance between A and B in 45 minutes. If speed is reduced by 5 km per hour, it will cover same distance in 48 minutes. What is the distance between A and B? Find the speed of the train. Question. T2 value is 48 minutes and T1 value is given as 45 minutes and X value is given as 5 km per hour. Substituting the values in the formula, we get speed is equal to X is 5 into T2 is 48 by T2 minus T1, 48 minus 45, 5 into 48 by 3, 16, 5, 80 kilometers per hour is the speed of the train. Now to find the distance, the formula is 5 into T2 value is 48 into 45 by 48 minus 45, that is 5 into 48 into 45 by 3. This can be written as 80 into 45 into 1 by 60, because 48 and 45 are in minutes. Converting this into hours, we get 60 kilometers is the distance. Question number 26. A goods train and a passenger train are running on parallel tracks in same direction. The driver of the goods train observes the passenger train coming from behind, overtakes and crosses him completely in 60 seconds. A man on passenger train marks that he crosses goods train in 40 seconds. If the speed of the train be in the ratio 1:2, find the ratio of their lengths. There are two cases, train 1 case and man case. In the first case, the time is 60 seconds and in second case, the time is 40 seconds. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Let A be the length of the goods train and B be the length of the passenger train. The speeds ratio is given as 1:2. Let the speed of the goods train is x and passenger train is 2x. From this, we get the equations. Sum of the lengths of the train by relative speed is, as both are moving in the same direction, 2x minus x is equal to 6. This is the first equation. And in the second equation, the distance is the length of the goods train, that is A by 2x minus x is equal to 40. This is the second equation. Now let us divide equation 1 with equation 2. We get A plus B by A is equal to 60 by 40. B by A plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. B is to A, we get this as 1:2. The ratio of lengths of first train and the second train is 2:1. Question number 27. A train, after travelling 50 kilometers, meets with an accident and then proceeds at 3/4 of its former speed and arrives at its destination 25 minutes late. Had the accident occurred 24 kilometers behind, it would have reached only 35 minutes late. Find the speed of the train and the distance travelled by the train. Let the distance be d kilometers and speed be x kilometers. Now, in the first case, we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Now, the distance is 50 kilometers by the speed is x plus the remaining distance is d minus 50 by the speed is 3x by 4. 4 comes to the numerator is equal. The total distance is travelled with x kilometers hour speed plus 25 by 60. It is 25 minutes late. This can be written as 50 by x plus d minus 50 into 4 by 3x. d by x plus 5 by 12. We get 4d minus 50 by 3x is equal to 12d plus 5x by 12x. Once 4 times, we get 16d minus 200 is equal to 12d plus 5x. From this, we get 4d minus 5x is equal to 200. Keep this as the first equation. Now let us see cases of when the accident occurs 24 kilometers behind. So 50 minus 24 by x, d minus 26 into 4 by 3x is equal to, we get 12d plus 7x by 12x. This can be written as 26 by x plus 4d minus 104 by 3x is equal to 12d plus 7x by 12x. From this, we get 4d minus 7x is equal to 104. Keep this as second equation. Now subtracting second equation from the first equation, we get 2x is equal to 96. We get x is equal to 48 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the train. Now putting the value of x in either of the equations, 4d minus 5 into 48 is equal to 200. So 4d is equal to 200 plus 240. We get d value, that is the distance is 110 kilometers. Instead of above all calculations, if we remember this formula, it is easy to solve such type of questions. The formula is 1 minus new speed by new speed into new time minus the old time. Let us substitute the values. 1 minus new speed is 3 by 4 of the usual speed into new distance is 24 by new speed is 3 by 4 into new time is given as 35 minus old time is 25. By converting this into hours divided by 60, we get 6 into 4 into 6 by 3. We get 48 kilometers per hour is the speed. Now the total distance covered by the train is, total distance is equal to old distance plus new distance into old time by old time minus new time. Now let us substitute the values. Old distance is 50 plus new distance is 24 into old time is given as 25 minutes by old time is 35 minus new time is 25. We get 50 plus 24 into 25 by 10. From this we get 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60 is equal to 110 kilometers. Question number 28. Train A leaves Mumbai for Lucknow at 11 am running at 60 km per hour speed. Train B leaves Mumbai for Lucknow by the same route at 2 pm on the same day running at 72 km per hour speed. At what time will two trains meet each other? Distance travelled by train A before train B starts, there is a difference of 3 hours. So 3 hours into the speed is 60 kilometers. So it covers a distance of 180 kilometers before B starts. Time to cross each other is the distance travelled is 180 by the relative speed is 72 minus 60. We get 180 by 12. This is 15 hours. Now the required time is 2 pm plus 15 hours is the time taken. So both the trains meet each other at 5 am next day. Question number 29. Train A leaves Delhi at 4 pm with speed 30 km per hour. Train B leaves Delhi at 9 pm with speed 45 km per hour on parallel lines of rails. When will train B overtake train A? The time difference between the starting time of both the trains is 5 hours. Distance travelled by train A before train B starts is, the time is 5 hours into the speed is given as 30 km per hour. So it covers 150 km before train B starts. In order to overtake train A, train B has to gain 150 km with a rate of 15 km in 1 hour. So to cover 150 km, it takes 10 hours. Train B overtakes train A at the distance of 45 is the speed and time is 10 hours. So 450 km. Train B overtakes train A. Question number 30. Speeds of two trains are in the ratio 7:9. They are moving in opposite direction on parallel tracks. Train 1 passes a post in 4 seconds. Train 2 passes a post in 6 seconds. Find the time taken by the trains to cross each other. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. The speed of first train is 7x and speed of second train is 9x. Now the length we get as 7x into time to cross the post is 4. Length is 9x into time to cross the post is 6. Time to cross each other is sum of the lengths by sum of the speeds. We get this as 82 by 16, 41 by 8, 5 1 by 8 seconds is the time to cross each other.